Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Rebus chain and their launching token Rebus coming soon, about the airdrop, my price prediction, and what is actually their main product they're working on. And before I start, I really want to say thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys a lot for all your support. I really appreciate it. And let me actually quickly follow up on the airdrop. So if you have OSMO EVMOS more than 100 or 80 plus atom, you could go to their airdrop tab in the rebuschain.com app. I will put the link in the description for you, and you could complete 3 missions so far and claim the airdrop and put it in the staking. Now it's currently is very good staking reward for them. Let me check. It is about 440%, which is very nicely look for now. And you will be able to vote, stake, and then it's going to be 2 missions coming soon, and then you will be able to claim the rest of the airdrop. So, and let me actually quickly go through what they're working on and my price prediction. So it is the project which is financial oriented. They're working on the solution how to provide with DeFi solutions to traditional finance. So they're focusing on providing their own products for normal like banks from our everyday life, and provide some DeFi solutions like staking, vaults, NFTs, and different types of features. And they have already built a very good product like SKUs with staking products, with liquidity products, with NFT products here, like with stable coins, and providing LP for the pair or different types of tokens. So it means that vast variety of the audience, the majority of people who didn't have chance to be part of crypto space because they're not knowledgeable enough, now they will be able like to have those features inside their bank applications. And the only risk I see here is the idea is great, and I think it could be implemented very greatly as well. The only problem is that majority of traditional banks, they're like dinosaurs, and they're not very good with those innovations. And I think there could be some regulations problem and something like that, because very great like DeFi projects could be implemented, but it's not many great traditional finance banks that are ready to implement those solutions, because they simply starting to be online mostly, and closing their offline like spots for now. So I think it could be the problem. Some fintech products are actually ready, and I think that they could provide those solutions itself, but this is the only potential risk I could see, and maybe it's a matter of time. But the products they're already like providing here, and I think that this is the proposal for the banks, looks amazing. They describes a lot of like in their market about different products, about the teams. They have some financial partners, financial consultants, and overall the team looks solid, and I think that they have great future ahead. They also shared their roadmap, and actually it's many things already delivered and close to be completed already. So it seems very great in this case already. And you know, when I'm starting thinking about the price, because I saw a lot of tweets currently, because it's could be like 1st of October of Rebus starting trading, if I'm not mistaken, and people saying it could be EVMOS price like $3, $2, or starting from 50 cents. And it is something I'm curious as well, and that's why I decided to make like some analysis. And as they're providing financial services, and they want like kind of compare the same of at least partially with traditional bank. I want to compare them with market cap of largest banks and banks holding companies by market cap. It is 394 companies with total market cap of 6.5 trillion. And how I'm going to compare it, we already know the supply for Rebus, as they say, it is like 1 million of tokens, but you know, it's inflation, and I would say like in the period of time when we see some growth of Rebus and some like real success, it's going to be like more in supply, and I assume it's going to be 1.5 billion already. Maybe it's definitely will be different, but it's just my assumption. And how we're calculating the market cap, it is supply multiplying by price. So, and if we're like aware of market cap and supply, we could calculate the price. So I did those like calculation for those 400 banks, and it's actually quite comparable, because you know, like those smallest like banks, it has only 22 million market cap, which is actually very small, tiny coins and crypto, so it's quite comparable in my opinion. And you know, actually yes, those could be very high ranking, like huge US banks like JP Morgan, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo, and so on. But you know, if we're excluding those high and very like low amounts, and taking the medium, not even average, it gives us really quite fair in my opinion average, like, but medium price overall for like this bank oriented stocks. And I think it is something that potentially could be reached by Rebus with no actually big efforts. It's like some medium results, but not from the launch. I don't expect those high like amounts at the launch. If I'm thinking about the price of the launch, you know, it is with the supply of 1 billion, not 1 billion 50. So I think that it's potentially could be about the market cap of 50 million, so maximum 100 million. I don't think it's could be like more in the beginning of the project, but yeah, I want to be mistaken, but for me maximum is like kind of 10 cents. Some people talking about 50 cents, but in this case it should be 500 million, half a billion market cap for this like beginning of the project. The idea is great, the team is solid, but I just don't expect that much in the beginning, especially because the airdrop distribution was quite high. So for myself, it is like this amount, like this is unclaimed, this is already claimed, and I don't have like a lot of holdings. I'm just average holder for Atom and Osmo. Maybe like, yeah, I could say I'm average. And if people say that it is like 50 cents, so it's already $500 or something, I don't say they're so generous. I am more saying that it is more likely $50, not $500, but it is from scratch, and later on it could be potentially much more. It is the price of Rebus if supply stays the same as 1 billion, which is initial supply. So we will see, like sooner or later we will know how it goes. And it is all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.